finally sharing my chocolate vegan cake recipe with you. Do you like chocolate? Because I do. A lot. Hello guys, welcome back to Bunnie Cakes. My name is Mariana and I'm the founder of the famous vegan bakery in Miami. Today we're making a vegan double chocolate drip cake. This cake is not only absolutely delicious, it's also a showstopper with its rich, velvety layers of vegan chocolate frosting and a decadent drip. With creativity and the right ingredients, you can make a delicious plant-based cake. To prepare the drip, melt 1 cup of chocolate chunks with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. I'm using the microwave to melt the chocolate. You have to do it little by little, taking it out and stirring it until it is completely melted. To prepare the cake batter, add the batter and turn on the mixer at speed 2 for 5 minutes. Add sugar little by little and mix for another 5 minutes at speed 2. Mix the egg replacer powder back with the water measure and whisk. Turn on the timer for 5 minutes. Start the mixer at speed 1 and slowly incorporate the egg replacer mix. Add the vanilla extract and the chocolate extract. Mix all the dry ingredients with a whisk, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And in another bowl, mix the cocoa, coffee, and water to dissolve. At speed 1, begin the cocoa flour mixing, alternating between your dry and wet ingredients. Fill 3 5-inch pans, 3 1/4 full, and while the cake is baking, let's make the frosting. In the mixer, add the butter and mix with Florida crystals powdered sugar for 5 to 7 minutes at medium speed until smooth. Add the cocoa powder and a little bit of coconut milk if needed. Bake the cake for 50 to 60 minutes. Now that it's cold, we can cover it with our chocolate frosting and let it sit in the fridge for a few minutes to set. Add some swirls using the tip 866 from Ateco. Remember, just because you're living a vegan lifestyle does not mean you have to miss out on your favorite treats. It's finally ready! And if you try making this vegan chocolate drip cake at home, be sure to let me know in the comments. If you want to see more vegan dessert recipes and cooking tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next video.